treasure, natural, nutritional, pure, safe. Mariana, 100% deep sea water. Mariana, 100% deep sea water, can be found between the Mariana Trench and the east coast of Taiwan. It is the only top-quality water in the world that combines deep sea circulation and deep water kuroshio, running through eastern Taiwan with a rich content of trace elements. We collect water from 618 meters below sea level, and we make sure that the fabrication process is strictly controlled for the utmost safety. Mariana 100% deep sea water contains more than 90 different kinds of minerals and trace elements, tiny water molecules that are easily absorbed by the human body. Therefore, Mariana 100% deep sea water is of brilliant quality with high levels of magnesium and little calcium. The 5 properties of deep sea water. Stability at low temperatures. Easily absorbed by the human body. Stability of water qualities. Full of trace elements. Natural and pure. The operation team operates and produces Mariana 100% deep sea water with strict insistence. Drinking can become a kind of enjoyment. Approved by several international certifications and contains all kinds of different nutrition that the human body needs. Mariana 100% deep sea water is precious and rare, a bestowment from nature. Mariana 100% deep sea water.